On this video, we're going to take a look at these LED closet lights, under cabinet lights. You can use them in the office, in the garage, pretty much anywhere that you need a little light without hooking up absolutely any electrical. They're USB powered and rechargeable, and they mount on magnet.
And now we're going to turn on the other light. So we're going to turn this one off. And now this is the other light. Way, way, way brighter. You peel this way, double-sided. There are magnetic strips here, so you can take this off. And then this is a magnet, and it just sticks. So there's 3 of them. Micro USB charger. You've got your on, off, and auto. This is your on, off, and this is your auto. Pretty light beam. On this side, you set which color you want. This is 3000 Kelvin, so this is like the warm light. This is your mix, so this is the 4500, and then this is your daytime, which is the blue light. So this is the smaller version of it, right? Okay, now let's see how bright this is. This space is completely void of light. And now we're going to turn on the light. You have the ability to dim this as well. This is the dimmest level. And then now we're going to go to the brightest level. Okay, 3 different color temperatures. 6500 Kelvin, which is the daytime. Soft warm 3000, and then the mix 4500 Kelvin, and it's actually quite bright. You can see that. So you can mount this under kitchen cabinets, inside closets, dark spaces, garages. It's charged by USB, and it lasts quite a long time. I have the smaller versions of these, and this is how bright. Basically, so if I put this here, it pretty much lights the entire space. Now let me change the color here. So this is the dimness. So this is the dimmest level, brighter, and this is the brightest. All right, now let's change the color. 3000 Kelvin warm light. This is the 4500, and this is daytime. Let's make it the brightest. I like the mix. It's very large, it's very bright, rechargeable. Okay, that is the smaller version, and let's do a comparison. So this is a much smaller version. There's 132 LEDs in this one, and this one has only 20. So let's compare this. They're both motion sensor enabled. So this is this one. Let me just turn it on and off here, and we're gonna go to the same color. Yeah, same color. All right, so now this is the small light, and that was the brightest setting. This is the brightest setting. And now we're going to turn on the other light. So we're going to turn this one off. And now this is the other light. Way, way, way brighter. Okay, let's do this again. So we're going to turn this one off if we can. And then this is the other light. All right. So there you go. Quite happy with it. Let's turn this on. Super bright, pretty cheap, and it's on motion sensor. So if you have a closet or you want to put this on the cupboards, when you walk in, wave your hand, it will just basically turn on. So I'm quite happy with this. I'll show you guys where I have one installed. So this is like a cleaning room, cleaning closet. You see that? There's a smaller version right in there. Yeah, there you go. Pretty happy with it.